Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you which documents you need for Alberta Health Card. If you moved from another Canadian province like Ontario, Manitoba, then you have to submit these documents like a passport, Canadian citizen card if available, PR card and a birth certificate if born in Canada, Alberta driving license, utility bill, rental agreement, mortgage paper, bank statement with Alberta address. Bring original documents. Photocopies are usually not acceptable. Apply in person at the registry office in Alberta. If you moved from outside Canada, for example India, then you need these documents like a passport, photo page, PR card if already received, and work permit, Alberta driving license, utility bill, electricity, water, etc. with your name and Alberta address, rental, lease agreement, official letter from employer, school or government with Alberta address, and bring original documents. Photocopies are usually not acceptable. Apply in person at the registry office in Alberta. If you are new in Canada, you become eligible for Alberta Health on the date you physically moved to Alberta. Now I will show you how to fill application. First we need to open our web browser and write down here Alberta Health Card application. How to apply for AHCIP? Click on this link. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. How to apply for AHCIP? Scroll down and how to apply eligibility. If you want, you can open and read all the eligibility for requirements. And step to complete the application form. Now I need to click here and fill the form. Application for Alberta Care Insurance Plan coverage. I already filled this form, but I will show you step by step. Last name, first name, middle name, date of birth. I click here on female. Marital status, married. Phone number. Proof of residency required. And if you have a different mailing address, then you have to enter here. Are you a Canadian citizen? I click on no, and I am permanent residence here, so I click here permanent residence. Have you previously had Alberta Health Care Insurance Plan coverage? I click on no. If you have yes, then you can click here and you have to give here Alberta personal health number. Why are you applying for Alberta Health Care Insurance Plan coverage? I click here new residents of Alberta. From where and when did you arrive in Alberta? Where did you arrive from? I write down here Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. If you moved from another province, then you have to write down here your province name. Date you arrived in Canada if arrived from outside Canada. When I was landed in Canada, I write down that date. Date you arrived in Alberta. Date you decide to live in Alberta permanently. I write down here date. And previous Canadian province territory health number, medical plan number. Here I give a randomly number, my Winnipeg healthcare number. Here we need to click on yes because I live longer in Alberta. After save your form, then you have to write down your number, date and signature. Here you need to use a signature. Here I fill my spouse information. I fill all information related to my spouse. And here we need to signature of spouse, date and phone number. Here I fill my child information. Dependent or Canadian citizen. If yes, then you have to click on yes. If no, then click no and click on permanent residence. Had Alberta Healthcare Insurance Plan coverage. I click on no. And where did your dependent arrive from? Winnipeg, Manitoba. And here we do not need enter any outside date because child born in Canada. Important information. Alberta residence. You can read all this information. And here you can read acceptable documents. After that you need to save this form and take a printout. After filling out the form, you must submit it at the nearest registry office. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos related to form, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.